Hey guys, and welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to upload videos to Google Drive and share them. If you guys are new to the channel, if you could give us a like and consider subscribing, that would be amazing. Okay, let's get straight into it. Okay, so the first thing you're going to want to do is come over to Google Drive. You should already be logged into your Google Chrome account, but if you haven't, then this is the chance to do so. And then you just want to click on to go to Drive. Okay, so this here will open up what you have now uploaded to your Google Drive. It may be blank or you may already have some files already uploaded. Okay, so the first thing we want to do is come over to the left-hand corner and click on New and do File Upload. Okay, and here we just want to select any video. So I'm just going to select the most recent one that I've got on my folder. And then down in the right-hand corner, you can start to see it's uploading one item and it's showing as uploading. And then it goes to a green tick once it's been done. Okay, so once that's been uploaded, now you can see it uploaded here. So there's a couple of ways that you can actually share this video. So you've got, if you hover over it, you've got the share button here. You've also got the share button up top over there. And also if you right click, you can also do share here. Okay, so here we're going to just select share. If you want to share it with specific people, this is when you put in their email address, but we're just going to literally keep that open. So then we need to change the general access down here to anyone with the link. So once we have changed that, then we can select what type of access you want to give them. So they can either be a viewer, commentator, or an editor. And this video, we're just going to simply give them viewer access. So keep that on viewer, then simply copy this link. Okay, so then now that's in our board. We're now going to go into a different Chrome profile and paste that in. And then as you can see, we are now able to actually access this video. The reason it's saying it's still processing is because it's quite a large file and it's being uploaded to the Google Drive. But normally the next person would be able to view this, or they can simply select download and download the video to view it that way. However, if you wanted to actually create multiple videos, then you would just simply need to do new up the top here and then do folder upload or create a new folder. So let's just type in videos. So now we've created a folder. We could drag that particular video into there. If you want to upload multiple videos, then you could do that way. So let's just do new and file upload. Let's do another video. So let's wait for that to upload a moment. Okay, so that second video has now been uploaded. So instead of individually sharing them, we just come back to our drive, and here is the folder here. Right click it, and we're going to do share again and share. And again, you can do it to a specific group of people, or you can just choose anybody with this link can view the videos within that folder. Do copy link, and then if we come again over to a different Chrome profile page and paste that link in, this person now is able to see the two videos that are within that video folder. And that's it. That is how you upload videos to Google Drive and share them. I really hope you found this video useful. If you could give us a like and subscribe, we would really appreciate it. And I'll catch you guys in the next one.